In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size of reports in QuickBooks. Now, it's important to note right from the start that QuickBooks does not have a built-in option to directly increase the font size of reports. However, there's a straightforward workaround that you can use to make the text larger on your screen or when you're presenting these reports. First, navigate to the report you want to adjust. This might be a profit and loss report, a balance sheet, or any other kind of summary you're working with in QuickBooks. Once you've got the report open on your screen, you'll be ready to proceed. Here's where our workaround comes into play. To increase the font size, you'll actually adjust the zoom level of the page itself. This is a simple trick that relies on your computer's capabilities rather than QuickBooks itself. All you need to do is hold down the Control key on your keyboard. That's Control if you're using a Windows system, or Command if you're on a Mac. While holding this key down, use your mouse to scroll up. What this action does is increase the zoom level on your page. You'll notice that as you scroll up, the text and other elements on your report will appear larger. This method effectively makes the font size bigger by enlarging everything on the page, so you can see your data more clearly. This trick is particularly useful for presentations, or if you're working in a setting where you need the information to be more readable on screen. It's a quick and efficient solution that doesn't require altering settings or navigating through complex menus. You'll find that this method increases the visibility not just of text, but all elements present on the page, making them easier to see and understand. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to make your QuickBooks reports easier to read by adjusting the zoom level. Remember, this change is purely visual on your screen and does not affect how the report is printed or shared in its original format. If you do need to print out documents and want them in a larger size, you would need different, more technical ways, like exporting the report to another program or adjusting printer settings. But for everyday use and improved readability on your computer, this method should serve you well. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tip helps you work more comfortably with your QuickBooks reports. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. See you next time.